that is 10 plus 2 class mathematics. We are proceeding to exercise 6.3, lesson number 6. So let us take question number 10. Find the equation of all lines whose slopes becomes equal to -1 and tangents y equal to 1 upon my x minus 1. Also write down x minus 1 raised to power minus 1. We find out dy by dx also here. So find the equation of all line having slope this and tangent to the curve is this. So dy by dx, that is -1 x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. We get -1 upon x minus 1 whole square. So according to question, this is also saying the slopes. So -1 upon x minus 1 whole square equal to -1. After cross multiplication we get x minus 1 ka whole square equal to 1, x square plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 1 with the cancelled out, x taking common, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 0, also x equal to 2. So put x equal to 0, then y equal to 1 upon में 0 minus 1, that is -1. So point 0 and -1. Put x equal to 2, y equal to 1 upon में 2 minus 1, 1 upon 1. So point 0 and 1 also here. Using the slope point form. Slope point form. We are taking m equal to -1 and point 0 minus 1. Also m equal to -1 and point, that is point we are taking p1 p2 0 1. So using the point slope form, slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Also we use formula here, m x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is +1, m taking -1, x minus x1, that is 0. So y plus 1 equal to -x and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 be the required solution, answers here. We put here y minus y1, that is 1, m we are taking -1, x minus 0. So y minus 1 equal to -x and x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. We get another answers, required 2 equations here. So students, we are taking in question number 10, slope be the given, y be the curve be the given. We find out slope dy by dx. Also we know that dy by dx also is called the slopes. So we equivalent these two terms, we get the value x, value of x, that is 0 and 2. And then we are taking the points. If x equal to 0, y equal to -1, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. With slopes, you are using the slope point forms and we get an answers, required equations here. We are taking another questions, question number 11. Find the equation of all having line, that is slope becomes equal to 2 and tangent to the curve, that is y equal to x minus 3. So this question be the same as question number 10. So try yourself. We are taking question number 12. Find the equation of all lines slopes becomes equal to 0 and taking curve y equal to 1 upon my x square minus 2x plus 3. This question are the same as question number 10. Try yourself. We are taking question number 13. Question number 13. Find the points. Curve becomes x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Tangents are parallel to x-axis. It means slopes m equal to tangent 0 degree, that is 0. So m equal to 0. and find out derivative with respect to x of equation 1, that is 2x upon 9, 2y upon 16 and equal to 0. We look here, dy by dx also can be written as, so 2y dy by dx upon 16 equal to minus 2x upon 9, and dy by dx equal to 2x upon 9 into 16 upon 2y. So 2 cancelled out, minus 16x upon 9y. Put the value here. This will be the slope and this will be the slopes. Due to according to question, both are equal. Minus 16x upon 9y equal to 0. After cross multiplication, we get 16x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, then 0 square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. So y square upon 16 equal to 1 and y square equal to 16. We taking square root, plus minus sign here, y equal to plus minus 4. So required points, that is 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. At last we given some homework. Students try remaining questions of exercise 6.3. I am taking also these questions, but you try earlier because you solved these questions, so I am not taking questions, but you are not trying, so we are taking some questions, some more questions, or we are taking all questions of exercise 6.3. This exercise is a very important exercise for examination point of view. So student, try these seriously. This is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.